I got my first real six string.
Swing an ocean!
Made it till my fingers bled. Was the summer of '69. Me and some guys from school had a band and we tried real hard. Jimmy quit, Jody got married. Should've known.
Ja, der läuft gut, gell?